wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best tabletop lazy Susans. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. It doesn't provide a ton of storage space, but if you require a basic model to simplify access to small items like seasonings and condiments, the metrodecor M design is a solid bet. It'll fit on almost any countertop or table and most kitchen shelves. It's built with durable plastic and can hold about 12 spice jars. However, it's not suitable for the dishwasher. At number 9, a simple two-tier option, the Made Smart Twin provides a practical place to house spices, jars of jam, or even bottles of nail polish. Everything will be easy to access on this compact turntable, which spins freely and remains adequately stable. It comes with rubber feet to prevent it slipping and raised edges to keep the contents secure, but assembly can be tricky. Coming in at number 8 in our list. You'd expect to find the Twine Rustic at a trendy farm-to-table restaurant, where it would be laden with wine, cheese, or craft beers. It has a sturdy rotating base, putting its contents within easy reach of every member of your dining or drinking group. It's crafted from strong acacia wood with a sleek slate inlay. However, it is rather heavy and unwieldy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Lazy Susans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, quite expansive in size and designed with strong granite grey plates, the Die Turntable is a nice option for large families or those who frequently host gatherings at their home. Its plastic material can withstand hot dishes. It's able to hold up to 88 pounds, and the base rollers provide a smooth rotation, but some of the components are fragile. Moving up our list to number 6. At 18 inches in diameter, the Copco Pantry can accommodate plenty of small dishes and condiments for dinner parties or kitchen items you need regular everyday access to. It's only 1.5 inches tall, so the turntable itself won't take up much vertical space. Its textured surface keeps items secure, and there are 3 colors to choose from. However, it can be a bit noisy. Halfway up our list at number 5. The sturdy Lovotex tray is built well and looks at home in a contemporary space. It offers a charming way to serve coffee, tea, and finger foods, and it comes with easy-to-follow instructions, so assembly will be quick and painless. It features stainless steel that won't rust, 2 tiers for plenty of storage space, and an attractive brushed finish. At number 4, the creators of the Piazza Pizannobordeaux digitally reproduce original work by American artist Al Pisano onto the surface of this elegant lazy Susan. For those who want to add some artistic flair to their kitchen or dining area, this is a great option. The surface is shiny and smooth and highly resistant to scratches. It's made in the United States. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Whether you're using it as a kitchen tool or in the bedroom to organize personal items, the uneekee kelp is a stylish model with classy designs you likely won't find anywhere else. The sides are varnished to help prevent chipping and peeling. There are 2 materials to choose from, both with quality aluminum ball bearings. It's easy to clean with a damp cloth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Lazy Susans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Minimalist InDesign, yet as functional as they come. The OXO Good Grips can handle a fairly hefty load, even though it may not look very heavy duty. A subtle lip on the edge helps keep items in place, and non-slip feet make sure it remains stable. It's good value for the price, and lightweight and easy to reposition. It's available in 2 sizes. And taking the top spot on our list. If the rustic Master Garden barrelhead doesn't catch your eye, you should probably have your vision checked. Its stained exterior features a lacquer finish for strength and aesthetic appeal, and it's super easy to rotate with the flick of a wrist. This one's handcrafted from French wine barrels, and the surface is sanded and level. It offers an extensive 22-inch diameter. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Lazy Susans, or simply click beneath this video.